Hello everyone, welcome to the continuation of our tutorial. So we'll learn to insert a background image in our websites. Okay. So in CSS, my document, I'm going to type body. So this is going to be where the image would be. So in the body tag or selector, I'm going to type background inside the parentheses. Sorry, the curly braces, background image, and then colon URL into brackets, and then I have my images in the folder called images. Okay, so you can see in the drop down I have my images in the images folder. So I'm going to type the directory, which is the images forward slash and then cats dots or catty dot p jpg, and then I'll end it with a semicolon. Okay. If I do that and then I refresh, okay, you should see that is changed here. So now we have a cat's background image. Okay, so that's the image I provided in the in my images folder. And then if I should refresh it here too, you can see I also have this image back that named cat.png jpg. Okay, so the extensions are very important, other than that it might not work. So we also have other properties like background, repeats, and then as you see the drop down here, positions and the likes. Okay, so this and many more you can do with css styling. And then thank you for watching, and then I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.